This is example 2 from the week 9 notes on bonds. We have a 10% bond, so the 10% is giving us the coupon rate. Okay, so and I'm going to set it up in this spreadsheet. So the coupon rate here is going to be 10%. With semi-annual coupons, face amount 100 million, so that's going to go here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, like that. And it was issued on June 18, 1990. So I'm going to have an extra column over here for the date, and I can write June 18, 1990. And since it's semi-annual, the next one would be 6 months later, so that would be 12, 18, 1990. Okay. And I should be able to copy that down and get dates that go up by 6 months up to 2010, so that would be up to June 18, 2010 should be up to there. So it should be 40 half years or 20 years. And we want to find the price to produce a yield rate of 5% convertible semi-annually. So the yield rate would be 5%. The coupon rate has been computed for me. It's it should be 5% of 100 million, so 5 million. Right? The term is actually 40 here. And the price, I'm using my present value formula. So the yield rate over 2 is the rate I'm going to use. The term is 40 half years. The coupon is minus 5 million. The redemption amount, I'm assuming, is the same as the face amount since I'm not told anything different. Okay, so now I can make my chart. So the payment is just the coupon each half year, except the very last payment will be the coupon plus the redemption amount. The book value is just going to be the price, so it's 172,756. So that times 1 plus the yield rate divided by 2 minus the payment gives me the book value at each time. And I should end up with 0 at the end. And then just to complete the chart, the interest part would be the book value, the previous period, times the yield rate over 2. And the principal part is going to be the absolute value of the payment minus the interest. Okay, so for this last one, we actually subtract the redemption amount. Okay. And let's write the sum of this column here. All right, so this bond sells at a premium, okay, because it's selling for more than $100 million. Okay. The amount of that premium is $62 million, okay, and those payments, which are higher than the interest would be using a yield rate of 5%, include some interest, but also some of that premium. And the sum of that column of the premiums would be the actual premium, the actual amount above the 100 million that I'm paying for this bond. Okay. All right. So actually I've done a lot more than this problem asks for, but the price is $172,756,937.63. Okay. And then all I have to do now to do the other parts is to change the yield rate to 10%. When the yield rate and the coupon rate are the same, then you're going to have the book value is just going to be 100 million each time, because in that case the payment exactly covers the interest and no principal, and so I'm always owing $100 million until the very end when I pay that at the end with the last coupon. Okay. So the price is 100 million, and then finally when I change the yield rate to 15%, then the price will be 68,513,978. And that would be a bond that sells at a discount because it's selling for less than 100 million. The coupons in this case do not pay enough to cover the interest, right? And so because of that, I'm not willing to pay 100 million for this bond that won't give me enough interest to cover that loan. So so that's the way that one works.